guys, and welcome to the workshop, this week's edition of DIY screen printing.
Okay, the very first thing you're going to want to prepare before you expose your screen is your transparency. You're going to need your design to be opaque, so I highly recommend using a laser printer if possible because I found inconsistencies while using an inkjet printer. You are going to need to tape down your design while you're still in the dark, and then you're going to take it outside to expose it. Now you're going to take a test screen and expose it. Once the screen looks about the right shade you're looking for, which is kind of a gray green, starts getting close to that exposure, you will put a cardboard piece over your design and move it at increments of about 30 seconds, depending on how bright the sun is. I would never expose this in direct sunlight because the process would happen too quickly. I did this when it was overcast, and the whole process took about 9.5 minutes. This also depends on how thick you applied your photo emulsion. One of the tricks I used to make sure that I had a proper exposure, whole screen is being exposed, I took a flashlight and exposed one corner for 1 minute. I was able to see what my screen would look like over the next minute. So if I saw that one corner getting too dark, I knew I had to back off the timing on the rest of my screen. Once your design gets to the appropriate exposure, like I said, going from that mossy kind of swamp green to kind of a gray green, if you watch it, you will notice a difference in the color of your screen. Once it gets to that point, you're going to take it back inside into a dark room, remove the transparency from the top of your screen, and now you're going to rinse your screen with cold water. Run cold water over the entire screen, and you'll start to see some of the text washing out. You can gently rub your screen with your fingertips or a soft bristle brush to help the photo emulsion wash out. Now, if you start to see part of your screen that is not supposed to wash away coming off, that means you probably have not exposed for long enough. You can go ahead and hold it up to the light to make sure you don't have any pinholes where the light shines through in areas it should not. Those are areas you will either need to touch up or tape off as you screen print your design. Your screen needs to be completely dry before you try to use it for screen printing.